Hi, this is Carol with tip number 14 on planting flowers to make 2022 your best year ever. Today I'm going to talk about your environment. Wherever you're working from, whether it be home or office, be sure to set up a uh, the space in the right way. Have all your belongings, all the tools that you're going to need handy and close by. And then also keep it free of clutter. And the clutter rule runs for not just your office, but any part of your space. And if there's anything Americans have problems with, it's clutter typically. So go zen and enjoy. The other thing to look at is to keep your place spiritually clear. And sometimes you're kind of wondering, how do I know when that happens? And one example, uh, every once in a while, long while, I will feel like I want to put my fist through a wall or kick the cat. And I'm not really that kind of a person. It always surprises me, but by now, what I've learned is I've picked up an entity somewhere, and that is the way it is. So you can clear them using a variety of methods. There's some high-pitched frequency music you can find on YouTube that will clear ghosts and whatnot. Keeping the clutter free will also help a lot too. Let's see. You can burn a white candle, a vanilla candle, or a cinnamon candle. Leave a Bible open. There are a number of ways. Sage, if you can stand the smell of the smoke. It's not bad, but it is smoke. And if you have terrible problem getting rid of the problem, I can help. That's the kind of work I do, is house clearing and space clearing. Another way to play with your environment is to tap into the Feng Shui powers and of the flying stars. The flying stars are numbers that are found within the map, the Feng Shui map, and whenever location they land on in a year is that type of energy automatically. So a number 4 star is all about academics. If you go to that section of the house or the office, it's a great place to pick up from that academic natural energy and use it for studying and writing and creating and that sort of thing. So to find out where things are at, you take a floor plan and from the active corners, draw an X. You can find the center, use a compass then to identify north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, etc. And from that point, each section will have a segment of your house. And that's the area that you're going to work in. So this year, there are 4 good positions to tap into. One is the north, which is number 1, and it is for noble people. Go to the north if you need to phone, email, text, or write letters to people asking for help. And hopefully the noble people will show up anyway, but that's the area to tap into. Southeast sector is number 4, the academics that I talked about. Northeast is number 8, which almost everybody connects with the word wealth. So this is the area where you can do some planning, some tax work, where you can put your money bowl, in fact, if you'd like, to increase wealth, to pick up on that wealth energy. And then star number 9 is in the south this year, and it is all about investments and wealth. So my south happens to be in a toilet. in the bathroom. So I guess you can sit on the toilet and study the sheets and study books on investment. So make use of the space, whatever. So you take care of your environment and it'll take care of you. So I hope these tips were a little bit helpful, and we'll see you tomorrow. And we're going to look at a little bit more about prosperity. So have a really good day.